the Kyrgyz people, they also fought for their independence, and Pakistan people also fought for their independence. So both of them are warriors, and they, for their independence, they woke up and worked together in a community.
Its name is Afghani pulao. Yeah, it is less spicy and little bit sour, little bit sweet. In the start of month, we went to Osh Bazaar and buy all the ingredients, rice, flour, everything.
Whenever I start sing first Kyrgyz word, everyone is like, ooh, how he can sing Kyrgyz song. And after the performance, everyone was like, you are the best singer, you are the Mirbik Atabeke from Pakistan. So they gave me love so much.
I know when I leave Kyrgyzstan for further studies or a job somewhere else, so I will miss this country, because this country has given me love and respect. The people here, I have friends here. I have many people who respect me here, so I will miss them all.